Love Lambert, also known as C Love, and I am here to tell you about a new offering coming out. Pride is coming, and usually SF Pride, anyways. And usually, I'm out there loving and sparkling you guys up for the Electroluxx events, for the Pink Mammoth events, for the All Day I Dream events, and so many more. And unfortunately, with this pandemic, we're not able to gather or get together or do any big parties or celebrations like this. And I was so sad to hear it cancel. So I came up with a Pride Legacy Love Do-It-Yourself BeDazzle kit. It's like this. It's all rainbows, all reusable jewels that you can reuse as many, and it has a heart. And it also comes with a heart charm on a rainbow necklace. So we can all get bedazzled. It comes with a virtual sparkle party. The first part of the sparkle party will be me walking you through the lesson of bedazzling yourself. So this is great for kids. This is great for women. This is great for anybody, men, women, whoever wants to join. And then it's encouraged that you also play dress up, so wear like a tutu or like a fun outfit or a costume, because then we're going to have a special guest DJ, Jay Kind, throw in some beats so that we can get our little dance party on. I also wanted to donate a percentage of this to a Black Lives Matter organization. I have a full list that I'm going through. I have a soft spot for women and kids, so I'm looking for one that also supports women and children. So I'm going to be doing that with this whole situation. But then also another bonus, and I was like, duh, it's my daughter's birthday on June 29th. So we're going to make the sparkle party for June 28th. It's a Sunday. We're going to make it for 12 p.m. PST, Pacific Standard Time. So the first hour will be going through the motions of bedazzling ourselves, and then the second hour is going to be us dancing and grooving and having a full-on dance party with Jay Kind on deck. And so, yeah, I would love for you to come join the party. Click below to get your kit, or DM me for the link. And I hope you guys are staying safe. It's a great time to get centered. And versus forcing action, sometimes it's good to sit back and see where your intuition guides you, so you can be more relevant and more purposeful in the actions you do take to help with what's going on. Even little actions every day can contribute to a huge shift and change. So definitely be mindful and be out there helping your brothers and sisters, and come join the party. Let's get our sparkle on. Let's celebrate love. Let's celebrate humanity. And also my little nugget. She's the reason I even went on this whole journey with C Love to begin with. If it wasn't for me facing being a single mom, saying yes to that journey, and birthing Nugget, I wouldn't have birthed C Love. It all came together. And so, yeah, I would love for you to come celebrate with us. She likes to bedazzle her face how she likes to bedazzle it, and she likes dancing. So you guys, let's go have a good time. Let's celebrate June 28th, 12 p.m. PST. If you don't know where the link is on this video, just message me and I'll send you the link so you can register, you and your friends and your kids. And yeah, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.